This is a day in the life of an HVAC tech. So first thing in the morning is to start off with a really good attitude. Things can be really high paced in this business, so we don't want to start in the morning, oh, it's going to go like this and this might happen and this might happen. It's better to start with a clean slate with positive expectations, and typically the day will go better. So what I like to do is give myself something that calms me down, puts me in a good mood in the morning so that I can just relax. It's kind of like my comfort so that I can get started. So you just find whatever works for you. All right, here we go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I can't complain, I guess.
Yep. Same
Thank
here.
you. How can I help you?
I'm just going to do one small coffee with cream and sugar and one...
You want it hot?
Yes, one hot coffee and just a strawberry, what is that donut with the sprinkles on top with the strawberry on top?
Okay, so I got a strawberry donut and a small hot coffee, cream and sugar. Anything else?
That's all.
All right, $4.41.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so just a little sweet treat from me. Okay, so I'm out early enough to get my coffee, get my donut. So if you're waking up super late and you're rushing, that already starts your day off pretty bad. So get up early enough to get whatever you need, to take your time so you can be calm and not get in that rushing mood early in the morning. And that'll transfer over to the customers too. If you're already starting with a rushing, kind of stressed out attitude, then that personality sometimes transfers over. If you come up to the customer's house with a good, fresh attitude, with a smile, then typically your first service call goes that way. All right, so let's see how it goes. All right, so today we have a clogged drain line. Happens a lot. Unfortunately, in this condo, the drain is damaging the property below. So lack of maintenance can cause a big problem if it damages someone else's property. Anyway, we're gonna flush this drain line and get it taken care of for this customer. Let's go. Okay, so what we have to do now is get this nitrogen. Has enough pressure to blow it from the inside out. So let's go ahead and get that in there. All right, let me show you what we have. So on these apartment style units, this is an Apollo unit, the drain is right there. So you can take your hand and you can feel until you find the drain, and there's a hole right there. There's a backup one that's a little bit raised, and then there's the primary one. All right, there's the primary one, so there should be two. All right, let's flush this out. All right, there's the backup, there's the primary, and it looks like we may need to flush it a little bit better. All right, now we can see it's draining really well. Let's flush the backup one a little better. All right, so I got the drain flushed, but the unit is actually not coming on at all. The drain switch was tripped, so I just kind of assumed because it was such an obvious thing, but we're gonna have to go ahead and get our meter out and see what's going on with this unit. All right, on these Apollo units, there's a 115. You can see the whip coming in here, and there's the power right here. So we're gonna test that and see if we have power on this unit. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, so we have power there. All right, so we actually don't have 24 volts. So we're gonna have to check this transformer out here, and this is a really old unit. Well, it was a bad transformer, and we're gonna get that taken care of. I'm also gonna take a photo of the condenser and everything. Oh, look at that. I always like these nature, like little nature walks sometimes, some of these jobs. All right, let's find the condenser, make sure we get photos of everything and the circuit breaker. All right, now all we have to do is find number 5. All right, there we go. Let's see. Sometimes they're numbered. Like if you look there. All right, there it is. Unit number 5. Look at how old it is. Man, that thing has lasted. All right, let's see where the model number is. And no model number, no problem. We can get the tonnage and everything off of the compressor. All right, so I'm gonna end the recording on this one because I gotta get it done, and it's hard to get it done while filming. So bad transformer on this one, old Apollo unit from the early 90s. Thanks for watching. On to the next one.